Hi, my name is Nathan Jenner, General Manager of Volkswagen Chatham. We've undergone a massive renovation. Let's go take a look around.
Hi, I'm Josh, Service Advisor here at Volkswagen Chatham. Every time you come in the door, you're going to experience exceptional customer service.
Hey, my name is Travis Peters. I'm the shop foreman here at VW Chatham, and you can be confident when you bring your vehicle to us. We have factory-trained technicians and the correct tools and equipment to fix your vehicle properly.
Stop by 90 Keil Drive or visit the nice guys at vwchatham.com.